This is the new C8 Corvette Z06, and it is the first one I've seen in a while. The last one I saw was at the LA Auto Show a couple of days ago, and that was a yellow one. So this here is a red one, and I must say red looks better than yellow. So this particular Z06 has pretty much every option checked off, including the Z07 package, which includes these racing canard, carbon fiber wheels, along with carbon brakes. Like the owner checked off pretty much every option on the list. So I think at full retail, this was $185,000. Pretty expensive for a Corvette, but when you consider the performance level, the engine and everything, it's actually quite the bargain. So let's take a closer look. The nose, the front is different than a regular C8. Much bigger opening to let intercoolers, radiators, let a lot more air in. So I said the owner has lots of carbon option, carbon mirrors, carbon roof, and the inside is yellow cross stitching. I see carbon dash, competition seats. Yeah, this is the 26, I believe, with the 26 Z06 off the assembly line. So pretty much brand new. Here's the rear wheels, 21-inch Michelin 345 tires, so super wide, like 13-inch wide tires. The carbon aero package wing in the back. Yeah. More exhaust outlet to let hot air out, and the exhaust system. The exhaust system is adjustable 2 decibel at a time, so you can go stealth mode, which is quiet, or go full loud, and at its loudest setting, this thing, you can hear it around the entire Nürburgring, according to the Chevy engineers. And the Nürburgring track is 15 miles long, so that gives you an idea how loud this car is. Yeah, the owner did fire it up a few minutes ago, so I heard it idling. He didn't rev it because Cars and Coffee rules, no revving allowed, but even in idle, it sounds completely different than a normal Corvette. The idle is much higher. The sound is, the pitch is also much higher. It basically sounds, at full whale, it sounds like a Ferrari 458 on steroids. So there you have it, the first on-the-street C8 Corvette Z06. The under the glass back here is the engine. I'm not sure you can see it, but you can see that there's a plaque on the engine that shows who built the motor. In this case, Mr. Mike Ward built this engine.
I'm going to go ahead and start it up and drive away, so if you want to get that.
Oh, good. You want to start it up?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So, all right, so here's what the C8 Corvette Z06 sounds like. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that even idle, the thing was pretty loud at startup. I can only imagine how loud this thing is at full whale.
Henry had sent you that email. See it? You know where to go for that? It's a fill-up. It's right here. I don't know how he did it.
Yeah, Sports Cup 2 tire, basically race tire. No, as you can see, almost no groove at it. No groove at all.
So if you want my number,
Okay, so this is the 2023 Corvette Z8 Z06.
if you ever want to go. Hey man, drive safe.
That's what I thought you might say.
Yeah, good job.